Ryobi LINK, it's brand new, and we're going to fill you in on the details. I'm Tim Johnson. You're watching Shop Tool Reviews. Today, Ryobi is launching their brand new LINK Modular Storage solution. Now, it's much more than just a storage solution. It's going to dive into helping you organize your shop, your garage, your shed, whatever it is you do. It may help you in organizing it. Let's dive right in. Now you're going to start seeing these hit the shelves at your local Home Depot on December 1st. So there's no long wait that you have to suffer through before you start seeing these. So it's November 1st today, so you're looking at roughly a month before you start seeing these hit the shelves or finding them on HomeDepot.com. Now they intend to hit the needs of not just that homeowner or DIYer, but also the shade tree mechanic, the outdoor enthusiast, events planner, HVAC tech, handyman, and various other trade techs and prosumers. Now first up on the list is the Ryobi LINK Rolling Toolbox. Now this is the model number STM201. Price is going to be $84. Some of the specs on this: steel telescoping handle, 9-inch all-terrain wheels, made from impact resistant material, has a load capacity of 200 pounds and is IP65 water and dust resistant. Has durable latches, integrated Ryobi accessory bit storage right in the lid, and integrated tie-down anchors. It also has a secure locking point so you can lock this up. It includes the rolling toolbox and a single double organizer bin. Made in the USA with global materials and a limited lifetime warranty. Next up is the Ryobi LINK Medium Toolbox, and the model number on this is the STM102. Now, much like the rolling toolbox, is impact resistant material, 80-pound load capacity, and still IP65 water and dust resistant with the durable latches and the integrated tool accessory bit storage in the lid, as well as a secure locking point. Includes the medium toolbox and one double organizer bin. Again, proudly made in the USA with global components and a limited lifetime warranty. Then we have the Ryobi LINK Standard Toolbox. So the model number STM101. Price on this is $44.97. Impact resistant material, just like the other two, 50-pound load capacity, IP65 water and dust resistant, durable latches, and the integrated accessory bit storage right in the lid as well. Secure locking point, and it includes the standard toolbox, a single organizer bin, and a double organizer bin. Again, made in the USA with global materials and a limited lifetime warranty. Then we have the Ryobi LINK Tool Crate. So this is basically an open top box. Model number is the STM104. Price on it is $34.97. Impact resistant material, 50-pound load capacity when stacked on the Ryobi LINK mobile storage, and 25-pound load capacity when hung on the Ryobi LINK wall rails. What's that? We'll get to that in just a moment. Easily moved from mobile to wall with the integrated handle, so you can hang this on the wall on the Ryobi LINK system. Again, we'll show you in a moment. Or it can stack on the other tool crates or toolboxes. Includes the tool crate and proudly made in the USA with global materials with a limited lifetime warranty. Now next up is the Ryobi LINK 7-piece wall storage starter kit. Now this is the STM503K, so this is your starter kit for the Ryobi LINK system. This is where you're going to hang it on the wall. Price on this is $59.97. It's two 33-inch wall rails that are easily installed with visible mounting points, and they provide maximum stud engagement, so it holds 75 pounds per linear foot. So that's almost, let's see, 3 times that. That's going to be what, 225 pounds. So just about anyway. It's only 33 inches across, so not quite triple, but anyway, well over 200 pounds load capacity across that complete thing. And this allows you to hang and organize your LINK system and various tools on the wall, right on the wall. So specs are easy installation with included hardware pack, customizable to optimize your space. Wall rails are made with high strength polymer material. You have steel hooks for maximum durability and strength, and it includes 2 wall rails, 2 utility hooks, 1 power tool hook, 1 large power tool hook, a double organizer bin, and the single hardware pack. And this allows you to seamlessly connect mobile and stationary storage needs. And again, limited lifetime warranty on that. Now the Ryobi LINK Tool Organizer Shelf, it's the STM401. Price on that is $64.97. Steel construction for maximum durability, 4 slots to organize a variety of power tools, a wide shelf surface for optimal storage space, onboard hand tool storage, 50-pound weight capacity, and includes the tool organizer shelf itself, and that's all. It can easily hang on the Ryobi LINK wall rails, and it's got a limited lifetime warranty. The Ryobi LINK hanging shelf is the model STM402, and price on that is $49.97. Specs are steel construction for maximum durability, additional J-hook storage for smaller items, a wide shelf surface for optimal storage space, and a 50-pound weight capacity. It includes the hanging shelf and easily hang on the Ryobi LINK wall rails, limited lifetime warranty. Next up, the Ryobi LINK wall rails, a 2-pack, so you're just getting the wall rails, $29.97. Model number is the STM504. So if you don't want to buy the starter kit, you can buy just the rails for basically $30, and that's a 2-pack. Easy installation, customizable to optimize your storage space, 75-pound per linear foot weight capacity. This helps you expand your LINK collection with various other hooks and bins and everything we're talking about here. So it includes your 2 wall rails, proudly made in the USA with global materials and limited lifetime warranty. Ryobi LINK standard hook set, $12.97. Model number is the STM806. 50-pound weight capacity. It's ideal for levels, tape rolls, and hand tools. Durable steel construction, non-slip coating to securely hang items. It includes your 1 standard hook, and it's a limited lifetime warranty. Ryobi LINK XL multi-purpose hook, STM804 is the model number, and price is $12.97. Now this has a 50-pound weight capacity as well, and it's ideal for ladders and recreational equipment. Durable steel construction, non-slip coating to securely hang items. It includes the single XL multi-purpose hook, a limited lifetime warranty on that also. Then the Ryobi LINK screwdriver holder, STM807, and it's $12.97. Now this is a 25-pound weight capacity. There's some heavy screwdrivers, by the way. Anyway, ideal for screwdrivers, pliers, and safety glasses. Durable steel construction. You get the single screwdriver holder kit and limited lifetime warranty. The Ryobi LINK large power tool hook. Now this is going to be the STM803 and sell for $11.97. This is going to be great for those impact wrenches, impact drivers, drills, things like that. 50-pound weight capacity, ideal for large power tools and lawn and garden tools. Durable steel construction, non-slip coating to securely hang items. It includes the power tool hook itself and limited lifetime warranty. Then we have the Ryobi LINK double hook. It's the STM810 at $10.97, 50-pound weight capacity, ideal for multiple hand tools and lawn and garden tools. Durable steel construction, non-slip coating to securely hang items, and limited lifetime warranty. Ryobi LINK power tool hook, the STM801, $10.97. 50-pound weight capacity, ideal for power tools and lawn and garden tools. Durable steel construction, non-slip coating to securely hang items, and limited lifetime warranty. Then we have the Ryobi LINK utility hook, the STM805. It's also $10.97. 50-pound weight capacity, ideal for hoses, extension cords, recreational equipment, and lawn and garden equipment. Durable steel construction, non-slip coating to securely hang items, and a limited lifetime warranty. Hey, we still have more. So we have the Ryobi LINK bike hook. This is the model STM809. Just easily hang your bike up, ready to go. No homemade contraptions you have to do. You can use this with your LINK system. So the bike hook has a 50-pound weight capacity. Great for bicycles, durable steel construction, $10.97. You get that non-slip coating to securely hang that bike, and it includes a limited lifetime warranty. Ryobi LINK S-Hook. Now this is great for those garden hand tools, so your shovels, your rakes, things like that. 50-pound weight capacity, ideal for long-handled tools, durable steel construction, non-slip coating to securely hang items, and a limited lifetime warranty. And the price on that is $8.97, model number STM802. Ryobi LINK double bin organizer, so just a double bin organizer, STM812, price on it $7.97, so you can easily hang it on the LINK wall rail kit, or it will work in your toolboxes as well. Ideal for small parts, accessories, fasteners, bits, and trimmer line, and seamlessly connect the mobile and the stationary storage needs. Limited lifetime warranty. Then we have the single bin organizers, the STM813, price is $5.97, and just like the double organizer, you can use this to hang right there on the Ryobi LINK wall system, or you can use it in the modular toolboxes as well. Ideal for small parts and limited lifetime warranty. That is it for the LINK system. That's it. What's that, like 20 things, 20 SKUs that they're going to be rolling out here on December 1. Exciting times. Love to see this storage and organization, helping you to organize right out of the gate. So many times I see people that they want to buy huge toolboxes at home, and then they really don't know what to put in those toolboxes. Or sometimes they buy the cheapest toolbox and it's too small to hold all their tools. So then they're adding other little things. So this modular system allows you to kind of grow the system as you need it. So you're setting up your shop to be kind of a shade tree mechanic, then you can utilize wall space, utilize floor space, utilize some of these rolling carts to be able to store things in that as well, and maybe even throw it in your truck when you're working on your family stuff. Yeah, that never happens, does it? Anyway, hey, we're excited because we're going to get our hands on some of this stuff at some point. And we're going to tell you what we really think of it. And we got some projects in mind. So we're hoping very soon to get our hands on this stuff, and we'll do a follow-up full review on it as well. So keep an eye out for the Ryobi LINK storage system, storage solution, organized solution, whatever you want to call it. It's the LINK modular system from Ryobi. Find it at Home Depot or homedepot.com. Like I said, look for it on December 1. Also, would you mind to keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter? Hey, smash that like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And by all means, if you hated our video, give us a thumbs down. But would you let us know in the comments why? Have a great day and keep smiling.